In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check whether you can switch back to Figma's older interface and explore the available UI settings. Start by opening Figma in your browser or desktop app. Click the Figma menu in the top left corner and select Preferences. Inside Preferences, look for a section called Labs or Experimental Features if available. If you see a Reset Labs Settings option, click it to restore the default experimental settings. Next, review any available interface or UI related options. Some versions of Figma may include experimental UI settings that can change the appearance of the workspace. If a UI toggle is available, enable it and restart Figma to see the changes. Keep in mind that Figma regularly updates its interface and older UI versions may no longer be officially supported or available. If no revert option appears, you'll need to continue using the current interface, as Figma may have permanently removed access to previous versions. And that's it! You've checked the available settings for switching back to Figma's older UI and explored the options currently available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.